What you need to say is the mathematics of what if, our best tool for predicting the future. And it comes in two distinct flavors, the world as it should be and the world as it is. First, there's theoretical probability. This is the perfect logical ideal. A standard die has 6 sides, so the chance of rolling an even number is 3 favorable outcomes out of 6 total outcomes, or exactly 1/2. We don't even need to roll it. The math tells us the answer, assuming the die is perfectly fair. But then there's experimental probability, which measures what actually happens. Flip a coin 10 times and you might get 7 heads. That's not the 50% theory predicted. Your experimental probability is 7 out of 10. This is essential for unfair events, like a weighted coin, or complex ones, like a basketball player's free throw percentage based on their last 50 shots. Reality in the short term is streaky and unpredictable. So how do we connect these two worlds? With a powerful idea called the law of large numbers. This is the secret behind every casino. For a single player on a single night, anything can happen. That's short-term experimental chaos. But over 1 million games, the casino knows the experimental results. The actual money paid out will get closer and closer to the cold, hard theoretical probability, and that theory is always built to favor the house. The law tells us that with enough trials, reality starts to obey the rules of theory. What begins as a random mess slowly sharpens into a predictable pattern. And we use this principle to do everything from ensuring quality control in a factory of 5,000 parts to predicting how many rainy days to expect next month. It's how we find the hidden order in the chaos.